Hi guys, my name is Igor and today I will show you what to do if some of your security cameras have stopped working. As you can see on my screen, it says that some cameras are disconnected but no one touched them. In a similar situation, we will need to reset the non-working cameras, and now I am going to show you how to do it. We need a Torx star screwdriver. I have a kit. A small regular screwdriver and in my case an electric screwdriver. Let's go and check. This is one of the cameras. It's a dome camera. There are 4 cameras in one camera. We need to unscrew the cover to get inside. Here we should find buttons. In this case it's under the camera. Just move the camera a little. There are 2 buttons, control and reset. Press the reset button with your screwdriver and keep for 3 to 4 seconds. Red light lit up. I hear a click, the camera has reset. Red indicator changed to green. Let's move the camera on its place and put the camera cover back. Such a beautiful view. Let's go and check if the cameras are working. As you can see, some of my cameras started working. But still there is a problem with the top camera. We are going to reset this camera after the loss of electricity. Some cameras do not automatically reset, that's why I need to do it manually. Let's go. Here is the camera and it does not work. It is located here. Open with suction cups. This is a switch. Just pull the connector out and put it back. I can control the cameras from my phone. Back camera. Front camera. Wait for it to load. The camera works again. We can close the ceiling. This is what it looks like after closing. Let's go to check. we can put it back. As you can see, all my cameras started working. We can set it up now. I turn it in the direction that I need. That's all. If you have similar problems with your cameras, now you know how to reset them. I hope this video was helpful. See you soon.